we've got this all sanded down some. We're going to etch out these teeth, and we're going to do the eyes. So we'll do the teeth first, and I'll use this to start it. Use this little tool here to open it up. We have our teeth marked. So now we're going to drill out these eye holes. And I used a 1-inch rubber washer here to mark my holes where I want them to go. So we'll use a 5/8" drill bit here to cut these open. You want to make the holes small and work your way out as you go. That drilled out. So what we'll do is we'll work on opening this up, and we'll go from the outside to the inside and back and forth till we get this where we got to go. It looks like we got to go about 3/4 of an inch inside to get the eye to come out a little bit. So we're going to take these sides off now for the back, and this is what you take off if you ever have to make repairs. Two screws. So if you ever have to get in here to fix something, what you do is you take that wig, loosen that wig up there, and then take this off, and then that's how you can get inside if you ever have to get inside to fix anything. You can see we got this drilled in here. So we have to open this all up. So we're going to take out in here and over here. We'll take all this out so the eye will sit down inside. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Well, also, we're going to take some of this out in here. We'll take some of this out so our string won't catch on that, on this rub on this wood when we go to hook our string up. We'll have to do the same And here for our spring is groove this down a little bit so our spring doesn't touch on the wood there. Thanks for watching.